It's a lot of wind today. I do expect that the drone will not keep steady all the time. I just want to see the difference between original and unoriginal propellers. Here you can see the wind profile during the flight with original propellers. Please note that during the flight with unoriginal propellers, the wind was stronger and had more gusts. And here the wind profile during the flight with unoriginal propellers. This is the screen recording with original propellers, and as you see on the attitude indicator, it really inclines a lot. And this is the recording from the unoriginal propellers, and you can see it even inclines more.